Looking to remove your phone number from your Facebook page? Let's walk through the steps to help you accomplish that. Begin by opening the Facebook app and logging into your account. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, and select Pages. Switch to your page by tapping the down arrow next to the profile photo and selecting the page you want to switch to. Once on your page, tap the profile picture and then the edit icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Edit next to Detail. Next, find the pencil icon next to your phone number and tap on it. To remove your phone number, simply tap on the Remove option at the bottom right corner. By following these steps, you have successfully removed the phone number from your Facebook page. This ensures that your contact information is updated and reflects accurately on your page. Thank you for watching this guide on removing your phone number from your Facebook page. Stay tuned for more informative tutorials to enhance your social media experience.